Hi everybody. I was recently down in Goa and I was doing some videos, especially of the traffic in our own place, Valpoi, which is a taluka, Satari taluka, and the main town is Valpoi. What I saw was so frightening, so bizarre, and so horrendous driving. Oh my God. I just don't know how long people can live and survive driving that way. I've seen people driving, little kids, they're hardly even in the class 5. They are driving motorcycles and other things illegally, unlawfully, and nobody's bothered. Even if the traffic police catch them, they use the politician's name, or the politicians call up and ask them to release this and that. So much horrendous is going on, especially in Valpoi. And if you see in this video, these are just the pictures of the video, which are in the video. You will see ahead the driving. Sometimes on a motorcycle, triple seat, there are no ways over where they overtake, what they do, and the amount of accidents I've seen at every step, you can say, like within a kilometer, I've seen 5-6 accidents, like within 20 seconds, 20 minutes, but 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can see accident within a distance of that, or even close by, and horrible accidents. That's because of the unlawful driving. And most of them, they drive without any licenses, no license issued. Some they don't even know A and B, never been to school, yet they are driving, and yet they are riding motorbikes, which is totally illegal. You will see this. I've done some videos. This is the first one I'm putting, and if I get a chance, I'll put the others as I get time. And I will show how people are driving there. Even somebody came and banged on me when I was just, I stopped my motorbike and I was there. He came from the wrong side and he ran. And when I tried to challenge him, then he apologized, but then he said, I asked him, who gave you the license? He was silent and then he went away. Just see ahead what the driving in Goa is, especially in Valpoi. Doing their duties, but nobody is here to monitor all these things. No discipline in driving like our UK discipline. Nobody is bothered. No one wears helmets. You can see all these things. See, even the ladies don't wear helmets. Nobody is worried about the safety. See how they come out. No helmet, even the ladies don't follow the discipline. Only one person is following the discipline. He is wearing the helmet and everything. The police are doing the duties, but nobody is bothered. Hardly anybody is seen wearing helmet. The way this gentleman turned around, should see. There are some people who wear helmet, they are regular. Like this man, he is wearing his safety helmet and everything and he's okay. And he's waiting for the cars to pass by to take a turn. They are overtaking. See the system of overtaking. They don't have discipline to stand behind the cars. No helmets. Helmets are being carried. menos.
Sabe de contra a mulher.
As you can see, the gentleman is driving but with the mobile in one hand. He's carrying three people. Three people are on his thing. Discipline driving also whatever mobile can see उसने यूरोपाक पोंग में होना ये गलता सबले संसाराक कोणी गोंया कितें चलता आनी आमचे वालपय जाता. The policemen are on duty, they are doing their duty, but nobody seems to care them. They just don't follow the rules. They just, you can see, as you can see how the driving goes on, how the people are driving, no helmets, nothing. Whereas in UK we have both the parties wearing helmets without being told to. This is how the road blockage is caused here.